Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining targets. Include 4 copies of the Yamamoto centerpiece and build a 40-card deck with a 16-card trigger ratio for consistent draws and trigger pressure. Aim for a 50 to 60% chance to see Yamamoto by ride phase when keeping a grade 0 hand and using standard mulligan rules. Prioritize starting hands that contain 2 critical triggers and 1 heel to survive early trades, and to set up later combo windows while conserving life and hand size. Execute a predictable macro sequence. Ride to grade 1, then grade 2 while saving Yamamoto until turn 3 or when your combo window opens. This increases setup reliability. On the turn you play Yamamoto, call 3 rear guards and pay 1 discard as the activation cost to grant board-wide buffs and push multiple attacks. Structure the automation into a 2-step macro. A pre-attack setup that places guards, draws, and organizes units, followed by a 5-attack sequence optimized to apply pressure and exploit trigger placements. Practice the macro in 100 automated runs to quantify improvements. You should see roughly a 25% win swing when you optimize hand order and trigger timing versus a naive macro. Mulligan aggressively during practice to keep grade 0 and the key starter pieces, then record common bad draws to refine your keep rules. Finally, adjust the macro to hold 1 heel until after the opponent's stride or big trigger phases, and program conditional branches so the macro skips risky attacks when a guard threshold or opponent counterplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.